Tito Awel. Actually, I went to international tour last few years ago. I went to South Korea. We
Mm-mm.
offer, like what I've said, we offer also international tour packages and at the same time national tour packages. Kasi mayroon po tayong mga partners outside Palawan and at the same time we are looking forward. We want travel books to be a bigger travel services sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo. So, this coming September actually meron po kaming travel expo at SMX Convention Center at Mall of Asia. So, doon po pwede po kayong pumunta, lahat po ng mga interested to grab a package or international man yan o local, meron po tayo doon mga promo packages na pwede nyo pong i-avail. So, I think it will start from September 5, 6 to 7. Pwede po kayong mag-visit sa SMX Mall of Asia wherein you can be able to book your travel all around the world.
Ayun.
So,
So,
yun
going
po
back,
yung nilulook for.
apa, yun, going
Yes
back
po.
to my question, kasi question ito ng televiewer natin from the Middle East. Aside from
Yes po.
Palawan, nakapasyal ka rin ba sa Luzon, sa Visayas, and any part of the Philippines para ma-compare doon sa mga inaalok mo naman ng mga tour packages sa Palawan?
Yes, Tito Awel, I
Mm-mm.
went to what they call this one, sa Bataan, sa,
Mm-mm.
I forgot the right term for that, yung sa
Mm-mm.
Luzon na Park, yung lugar po ni President,
Mm-mm. Sa
sa
Ilocos
Ilocos.
region, oo.
Yes, I went
Mm-mm.
to Ilocos region, I went to Bataan, and
Mm-mm.
also I went to Baguio City,
Mm-mm.
I went to, syempre, pinaka-specific, Metro Manila, Cebu,
Mm-mm.
and Bohol. So, yun po, actually, lahat ng mga package na yun, soon, i-offer din po talaga ni Travel Books. So, right
Mm-mm.
now, we are just preparing for the bigger part. So we are just starting, and also we would like to thank the Lord because we already started. Actually, it's not easy to build your own travel and tours agency. Ang dami mong kailangan i-consider and ang dami mong pagdadaanan. But by God's grace, we are here and we are looking forward to be a world-class travel and tours agency, which is the Travel Books. So I would
Ayan,
like to say
oo.
thank you po, Tito
Mm-mm.
Awel, for allowing us to promote also not only the destination but also our company, which is Travel Books. Thank you so
Mm-mm.
much, Tito Awel.
Yun. So, ayan, meron yan. Bago natin pagpatuloy interview, baka lang makalimutan ko, nanonood sa atin dito ngayon si Tita Sherbet Ilacad. Thank you, Tita Sherbet, for watching us. Siyempre, ayun, namimiss po kayo. Thank you very much. Yan. Ayun, JP, bukod dyan kasi, di ba, we're talking about the packages dun lang sa Palawan na ino-offer ninyo and soon na mau-offer ninyo. Tinatanong din dito ng ating mga masugid na tagapanood, para sa iyo, paano talaga mapapababa yung cost ng pag-travel, lalo na sa airfare? Kasi kaya yung iba hindi na dumadaan sa travel tour operators gaya ninyo kasi namamahalan pag naging package na at maraming nagdi-DIY ngayon, nakakahanap sila ng mas mababang presyo. Ano yung stand ninyo sa mga ganyan?
Yes, definitely, Tito Awel. On our end, we offer on our end sa Travel Box, we offer different kinds of packages. Meron tayong package A, package B, and package C. So we welcome all the travelers kung ano po yung gusto nila. Kung ang traveler ba ay practical, kung ang traveler ba ay able, kung ang traveler ba ay money is not an issue. So kung gusto niya resort, kung gusto niya hotel, we will do that. Kung si Traveler B, gusto niya, basta okay yung comfortable kami sa accommodation, gusto namin hotel, and may ganitong mga inclusion sa hotel. So, we arrange that. And the last part is the normal travelers, kung gusto nila na makatipid, we also curate that package for them. So nakadepende yan. Depende sa kanila kung ano talagang gusto nila. Kung ito bang traveler na to, gusto niya makatipid kami kahit anong klaseng accommodation yan, basta makakatulog kami, yung mura lang, we will do that for them. So hindi naman po talaga definitely yung mga travel agency ay mahal. Let us cut that statement. So all
Ayun.
they need to do is to ask the travel agency kung sino mang travel agency yung gusto nilang ipa-curate ng kanilang travel. And then, we will do that for them. So,
Ayun. O yan,
yun po, ito yung amin.
correct. Ayun, ang dami nga natutuwa dun sa mga pinapakita natin mga pictures and videos dyan sa Palawan Package Tour. Kung kanino naman po, napanood po natin yung mga 82 provinces na napuntahan ni Brian. Ito naman kay JP ay nakafocus sa Palawan. And marami natutuwa, lalo na po ang two of my friends who are watching now, Star Tip Gos and Lian Horado. Shoutout sa inyong dalawa. Okay? Ito na nga po, syempre marami nang gusto at interesado. Paano ka po makontak? Please, paano po ba sila makaka-avail ng mga special package tour ng travel books? Go, JP!
Yes, excuse me, medyo na-overwhelm ako. I am so excited and I'm so privileged today to offer to you our tour packages. So all you need to do, guys, sa lahat po ng mga nanonood, is to visit our page, which is Travel Books. So our logo is like a paper plane logo, and at the same time, we have a background of color, golden yellow. So that's our page. Almost 6.7 followers na po kami so far right now. So we are growing and we are looking forward to a much better services na may offer po sa inyong lahat. If you want to book your Palawan tours, just message Travel Books and we will here to assist you. So like what I've said earlier, kung kayo ay practical traveler, kung backpackers kayo, kung high-end travelers kayo, kung world-class travelers kayo, just let us know and then we will curate that package for you. And you will experience the beauty of Palawan, the wonders of Palawan. Ang dami pong magagandang destinations dito actually. Hindi lang po El Nido, hindi lang Coron, ang dami-dami po, sobra. So I am inviting all of you to visit Palawan. And if you are looking for a well-trusted travel and tours agency, just reach out to us, Travel Books. Doon din po yung aming contact number and email address. You can email us or you can contact us. You can call us or send us a message. And at the same time, if you want to contact directly to me, just message JP Daco. So ang aking profile picture is yung naka-cream ako na coat and white po yung loob na long sleeve. So that's me. And para maiwasan lang natin yung mga scammers kasi ang daming mga gumagaya-gaya ng Facebook pages around. So ang followers ko po ay nasa 15,000 followers na po tayo. So, yun po yung legit and official po na mga social media accounts po namin if you want to book with us.
Okay.
So, thank you so much po.
Thank you very much. Ayan, si JP Daco ng Travel Books. Maraming salamat for sharing your tour packages with us na legit na legit. Maraming salamat. Ayan, ako po. At syempre, kung na-enjoy po natin yung 82 provinces na ipinakita sa atin ni John Brian at ang Palawan Package Tour ni JP, sa pagbabalik naman ng travel ni Awel, baka meron po kayong entry sa mga travel tripid tips natin at matututo pa rin tayo sa lengua de viaje at abangan ang ating travel padala mula pa sa Wales, United Kingdom. Lahat ng iyan sa pagbabalik ng travel ni Awel.
Gusto kong bumalik ng Japan ulit. Yun po, Japan. Gusto ko lang kasi yung iba yung ano dun iba yung klima. Gusto ko yung klima sa gusto ko dalhin yung nanay ko sa Japan.
Kapit na ng mahigpit sa Travel ni Awel.